Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into example 11 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in example 11. Now moving on to example 11, it is given that find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, minus 2. Guys, it looks like again this is a very easy question. Now let's see how we can solve this question. Now moving on to solution. So as per the question, we are going to find out the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP. So let us first of all put down the terms so that it will be easy for us while doing the calculations. So here as per the questions, we are going to find out the sum of the first 22 terms. So let me put it down like this: first, second, third, and the final one is 22nd. Just I am taking and putting the values, like under first term it is 8 they have given, under second term they have given it is 3, and under third term they have given minus 2, and here we don't know what exactly it is. Now naming A1 for first term, A2 for second term, A3 for third term, and A22 for final term or 22nd term. So our main aim is to find out the sum of the 22nd term. So guys, before finding out the sum of the 22nd term, the most important is like we are going to find out this value. Once we get this value, then definitely it will be easy for us to find out the 22nd term using the formula. So for getting this value, first what I will do is we very well know the formula, like AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. So guys, we are going to use this formula particularly for finding out the value of A22. Now I can write here A22 is equal to A1. Here A1 is 8 and N. Here N is 22nd term because we are working out on 22nd term. So I can write 22 minus 1, and D. D is here second term, the difference between the any consecutive terms. We can take either second minus first or third minus second. So let us take the difference between A2 and A1 so that it will be easy. I can write D is equal to A2 minus A1, or D is equal to, I can say A2 minus A1 is nothing but 3 minus 8, that is equal to minus 5. So I will write here D as minus 5. Now we can just solve this equation so that we can get A22 is equal to 8 plus 21 into minus 5, or A22 is equal to 8 into 21 into minus 5 is nothing but minus 105, or that is equal to minus 97. So guys, we got the value for A22 is minus 97. That means this value is minus 97. I believe up to here we are very clear now. So let us move ahead and see what we can do further. Now we got this value. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to find out the sum of the 22nd term. So let us quickly, let me rub it here. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to in order to find out the sum, I will put the formula like 2Sn is equal to, so we are going to find out the sum of the 22nd term. So here 2Sn is equal to n into A1 plus An. So guys, here I am not dividing the 2 here, just I am writing it 2 so that it would be easy for us to make the calculations. So here I can say 2S22 is equal to 22 into A1. A1 is 8 and An we got, like A22 we got here is minus 97. Just replacing the value, guys. So I can write further 2s22. I can say that 2s22 is equal to 22 into 8 minus 97. 8 minus 97 is nothing but minus 89. Now here what I will do, just s22 is equal to 2 into minus 89 divided by 2. Just moving this 2 from the left side to the right side and dividing it with 2 so that it would be easy while doing the multiplication. So here if I am getting 11, so I am getting 11 into minus 89. So guys, like what we are getting, like, or I can say s22 is equal to minus, so 89 into 11. 89 into 11 means 89. What we are getting, 9, 8 plus 9 is 17, so 979. So we are getting 979. That's all guys. So 979 is the answer that we are looking for. We can say the sum of this term is minus 979. That's all guys. If you have any question or concern, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.